Let's be real, neither you nor I truly want to master MySQL, Oracle, or any other database just for the sake of it. If you're a creator, what you probably genuinely desire is to develop solutions that simplify life, applications that add value to the people you care about. These people might be your clients, employees at a charitable organization, or even your friends or family. What I personally dislike about online courses is that I often get a list of functions and skills to learn theoretically. I might even understand how they work, but I don't know which ones are actually useful and which are a waste of time. The problem with IT is not that something can't be done, but that it can be done in dozens of different technologies and ways. When learning about databases, we'll discuss why implementation at the database level, rather than in Python or React, is a better idea. You also need to know how to create a system that is scalable from the beginning. Scalability is a great word, and it may seem like it's about a spectacular business success where you can't handle the volume of customer orders. That was the case in the year 2000. Back then, the mere fact that you could build anything that worked on the internet was potentially a source of income. I think it's obvious to you that today, an application that customers are willing to pay for will be quite complex from the start. User expectations grow as they gain experience with technologies from the biggest corporations. Now they expect the same from you, a personalized, fast, intuitive, secure, and intelligent application. Your application won't consist of just 3 tables or even 5. We need to take your plans seriously from the start and build a foundation for your specific business vision. Back to the course. We won't be learning based on a hypothetical product that nobody needs, like a to-do list or an app for viewing some data pulled from the web. We will learn based on a real, functioning startup that has dominated its market over the last 15 years. We'll learn based on a company I built myself, namely the Child Photography Academy, a social and e-learning portal that has trained over 25,000 people in its courses so far. Over the past 15 years, these people have uploaded over 1.5 million photos to the Academy's servers. Those images have been processed by AI and meticulously reviewed in a multi-stage process by a dozen instructors. In short, we have a business model like this: an online photography school for mothers learning to photograph their own children. The mothers continue to learn thanks to the built-in social portal and various features for motivating and rewarding progress and activity, essentially through gamification. Of course, your application and idea might be completely different, but in the example I'll share with you, all the key business components are present. There's a sales and customer service process. There are back-end processes for managing employees and user data. There's a social aspect and integration with social media platforms. There's personalized and advanced email marketing. There is business analytics implemented where it should be, in the database layer. Technologically, we also have text, image, and video processing, including processing through artificial intelligence models, OpenAI GPT in particular. By understanding how this example company is built and how it operates, you'll be able to move from this model in any direction you choose. Now you understand why this course is called Databases for Creators. Because from the start, we're creating genuinely useful tools and an organization that makes financial sense. To embark on this course, you don't need to know MySQL or SQL, but you will need to familiarize yourself with it along the way. The idea of this course is to explain SQL functions through their applications. You will need to explore the specifics of syntax and individual commands on your own, but you can use GPT for it if you wish. If you grasp the essence of something, the syntax or object names are just formalities. We could call them tomato or cucumber, and it would still be okay. Among all of dozens of technologies I've encountered in the last 25 years, databases have always been my favorite. Not just because of my nostalgic start with Oracle, but because of the joy they bring me in reordering the world in new ways. In this course, we'll be working with MySQL. It's not the only relational database out there, but it is one of the best, and it's free. The techniques and concepts you'll learn are applicable for every database, even for giants like Oracle. While SQL syntax may vary, those differences are merely insignificant formalities in the grand scheme of our learning journey.